All right. We back in business. I just had the perfect tire job to record for y'all, and my darn camera was dead. But luckily, as soon as I got done with that truck, another truck pulled up on me in the spot, that blue truck right here, and he want to get a tire on the trailer. So what we gonna do is put that tire on for him. It's this outside tire. I can't tell if you can see this, but it's showing wire real bad in the middle. So I'm not even gonna jack this truck up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get him to drive forward on this block. I'm gonna put it right here on this inside tire, get him to drive forward on that block. I'm gonna change it while the wheel and tire are still on the trailer. So easy, so effortless. And we finna get up out of here. So let me just get him to pull up on that block, and we're gonna get started. Matter of fact, let me check something out real quick. Oh, perfect. Pull forward for me. All right. Perfect. We're gonna let that out this time, man. We're gonna get this thing changed. We're about to start this job officially in 3, 2, 1. The air you hear coming out is coming from the outside tire. I just took the core out. Couple minutes, it's gonna be flat. I'm gonna break that thing down. Now, while the air is coming out, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools and move them over there. I do something that I like to call no wasted movement. While something is going on, like the tire's losing air or I'm airing it up, I like to go ahead and get my work tools ready. We multitasking, man. We ain't wasting no time, no movement. I know everything I'm gonna need for that job. I got my bars and hammer already over there. I'm gonna put my soap water over there. But I will need some grip pliers when I go back on. And I'm gonna grab this cloth. You know I'm gonna need my cheetah tank. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and lube this tire real quick while we wait. It's cold out here this morning too. It's like 30, I think 34 is what let me see. My truck say 34 in there. Going and lube that baby up. Got that joker nice and slippery for when we go on. The air's almost out of her. Go on and soak that outside up. Go ahead and soak that inside up. I hope this angle is catching everything. Or with that hammer blade. Peel the joke off. Again, we peeling it off while it's still on the trailer. I know you're gonna say, oh, your ball almost flipped back up, but it didn't, did it? I got this side peeled. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hammer to break that inside. Of course, while I'm recording, it wouldn't do right. And just peel this joke off. And of course, he got a aluminum wheel. I'm gonna put my rag on my bar so it don't scuff his wheel up. It's all good. And since I don't have that tire on there, I ain't got to squeeze between nothing. All I got to do is get my core in there, tighten that up. It's cold out there though, boy. Since my core's back in, we're gonna put that tire on. And we finna get out of here. Remember I had them pliers. So what I'm gonna do, fold up the rag, which is dirty, but it's all good. I'm gonna use that rag to put in between my pliers and the wheel. That way my pliers don't, scuff his wheel up. I'm gonna use my pliers as like a third arm. And now it's time to peel back on. Make sure I knock the dirt off these. You don't want that dirt to get in between that wheel. I have one bar in. That way I ain't gotta be using my whole body trying to fight with the tire. I used to do that mess, but you just struggling, really. You straining yourself. Use your pliers as a third arm. Now you got two free arms to maneuver the bars. You ain't gotta be fighting across your body. It was. With the sniffles and all, man, we peeled on. Just like that. Now, all we gotta do is air up. And you know what time it is, my favorite part. Cheetah tank. Put about 110 in there. Put the chuck on the stem. And voila. Make sure our chuck is on there tight. You can see that joker closing up or has closed up. We're just gonna air it up. And while that's airing up, put all my tools up. Let's check the air pressure. It should be about ready. Ooh. We got 50 pounds. I'm gonna get them up to about 90 on this used tire. And of course we got a car. Give me 1 second, y'all. Roadside assistance, this is Mike. If it's not stripped, I can definitely get it off. You're in Warner Robins, got a Mustang, don't know your tire size. Just a rough estimate. You got my number, my name is Mike, man. Give me a call, all right? All right, you're welcome. All right, y'all, we back. I'm gonna get you to back up for me to get off that block. Just watch me in your mirror, I'll tell you when to stop, all right? Get him to back up off that block. He good, and guess what, y'all? We out of here. I'm done.